We are using these pliers for cutting zipper teeth. The smaller pliers with a flat surface is for installing the zipper stopper. Here is the usual process. We have an X-back stopper, 2 front stoppers, and a zipper slider. Here is one-way zipper, ensuring to check the direction of the zipper teeth. Each tooth has a pointed tip towards the top. The slider must slide in from bottom to the top. Once we identified the correct spot for teeth removal, we use the teeth cutting pliers to cut diagonally, about every 2 to 3 teeth. While cutting, keep the zipper fabric away from the pliers to avoid damaging it. Switch the other side to the left and repeat the same. After getting the right size of the final teeth, slide the slider in. The X-back stopper grabs both sides of the zipper fabric and should be secured by pressing firmly. For the front stopper, note that the zipper teeth have different levels. Grab the stopper an even level for both sides. Start by installing the stopper on the higher level first. Install as close as possible at the last tooth. The second stopper should be installed at the same level to stop the slider from both stoppers evenly. A properly installed stopper allows the slider to cover the front stoppers completely. This zipper doesn't need to be folded. Trim the frayed part and melt it with a lighter to finish.